Hello everyone. Let's start this video by choosing the right time frame. Let's choose a 1 hour frame. You can use any frame you want: 4 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, or even 15 minutes. But to increase accuracy and increase profit, let it be 1 hour. So let's know how to use this setup. So as you can sometimes see on the chat, it has a sky-colored arrow created. And the market is going up. We need more confirmation to execute our trade in this position. After that, we will check the MACD indicator below. It should be of green color. And we need to look at the risk ratio before executing our trade. So, for your small account, you need to up the risk level to 4% or 5% per trade. And take only 1 or 2 trades simultaneously. If you are very unlucky and have 4 losing trades, that would reduce your capital to 80% or so, but enough to stage a comeback of plus 25% to break even. And we'll set our stop loss below the sky arrow. So now let's see the result of this trade. So back when the skyline turns red, we book our trade profit. You should always have these aspects in mind. And always remember that Forex trading is not gambling. When you accept this, your decision making becomes better. And you can learn to develop strategies on how to make profitable trading positions. Forex trading is very different from spinning a slot machine. So let's now know about more trade. As you can see now, the red color line has been changed to sky color. If you want, you can execute your trade by just following the lines. You will not need to follow the MACD indicator. If you just follow the lines, you will have to execute a lot of trades, due to which your winning ratio can be low. But the positive point is that your profit will be very high. So it depends on you which rules you follow. So back when the skyline turns red, we book our trade profit. If we don't follow the MACD here, then we can execute another trade on this position. And we'll set our stop loss above the red line. So now let's see the result of this trade. One of the simplest tactics for establishing a profit target is to use a fixed reward risk ratio. Based on your entry point, it will require your stop loss level. This stop loss will determine how much you are risking on the trade. The profit target is set at a multiple of this, for example, 1:2. Now you keep a little eye on the chart. I will speed up the video a bit so that you can see the full chart and have a better understanding of how to use this indicator. How much profit? So you have seen by now how the indicator works. Along with using the indicator, you also have to pay attention to some other things. To trade effectively, it's critical to get a Forex education. There are plenty of my YouTube video, websites, books, and other resources you can take advantage of to learn more about Forex trading. As you may learn over time, nothing beats experience. And if you want to learn Forex trading, experience is the best teacher. Day trading is extremely risky. And day traders typically end up on the wrong side of a trade more often than not. A study found that traders who lose money account for anywhere between 72 to 80% of all day trades being made. It's just not worth the risk. Why do 90% traders fail? This brings us to the single biggest reason why most traders fail to make money. When trading the stock market, lack of knowledge, more importantly. They also implement strong money management rules, such as a stop loss and position sizing to ensure they minimize their investment risk and maximize profits. Average salary for a day trader. Day traders in America make an average salary of $106,988 per year or $51 per hour. The top 10% makes over $180,000 per year, while the bottom 10% under $63,000 per year. Start making consistent profits in the Forex market. This is a very clear and simple to follow Forex trading strategy to get you started achieving consistent profits day after day trading the Forex market. It will make you 50 pips per day or more every day. There are several reasons Forex can be an attractive market. Even for beginners who have little experience, this means that traders can get into the market at any time of day, even when other more centralized markets are closed. You can generate a lot of profit with this indicator using all these rules. If you get to learn something new on our channel, then do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching our video. See you in the next video.